Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome language on iPhone. So first, just open up your Chrome app. Once that's opened up, just click on the three dots here at the bottom right corner, and this will pop up, and just scroll to the right till you see the settings or gear icon button right here. So just tap on it. This will open up, and just scroll down till you see the languages options or section right here. Then click on it. Here I have two languages, which is Filipino and two versions of English right here. And to add the language, just click on the add language button right there. And here you would see the list of languages. And if you want to search a language, just click on the search bar at the top. And let's say I want to add the Japanese language right here. Just click on it and it will automatically be added. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.